Hi, this is Joy Arls Vergara, the University Press Director. This is just a quick start guide for the visual brand of the Caraga State University. This is not a comprehensive discussion, but in this video, I'll be presenting very common policies and guidelines as regards the visual brand of Caraga State University. In 2019, the Board of Regents of Caraga State University has approved a board resolution pertaining iconography and typography of Caraga State University. This is by virtue of the BOR Resolution number 50-21 series of 2019. The principle of this policy is to set the branding of Caraga State University. This principle is anchored on branding, which sets the institutions or product apart from other products or institutions or its competitors. This is an exercise of the Krunig's excellence theory. This is to co-promote the branding efforts of the Office of the Public Information and Communication, the Office of the Management Information System, and the Office of the Vice President for Research, Innovation, and Extension. The specific objectives of this policy is to set standards on the following: use the university seal and logo, the use of CSU icons and trademarks, the use of accepted typefaces or font styles, and lastly, on the establishment and creation of the university visual identity. First up is the wordmark of the university. The wordmark of the university is written using the Felix Titling boldface font style, where the first letters, the C, the S, and the U, are 30% larger than the rest of the characters. Next is the university seal. We have two versions of the university seal. First is the full color version, and the second one is the monochrome version. This monochrome version could be printed or used in some other color or monochrome formats. And in using both the university wordmark and the university seal, we also have two versions. The formal version, where the Caraga State University wordmark is written as one-liner, and the other one, the non-formal combination of the university seal and the wordmark, is where the Caraga State University wordmark is written as two-liner, with the university word is written at the second line. And for the subunit seals or logo, the template is that the subunit may change the color combinations and the icons only at the shield shape of the balangay boat, retaining the yellow, the roof of the balangay, and the torch as it is as reflected in the university seal. And for the use of university seals or logo with the subunit logo, for the national or international activities or communications, just use the university seal and logo. But for internal, local, or regional activities, events, or communications, subunit like the colleges, centers, departments may use the subunit logo only. It is highly discouraged to use multiple logo in one setting, or one event, or one banner, or one communication letterhead. Again, if it is for national or international communication, just use the university logo. And for internal, local, or regional communications, just use your subunit logo. In this example, if the Department of Physics would conduct a regional training workshop, the scope of the activity is just within the region. It is not necessary to use the logo of the university in conjunction with the logo of the college and the logo of a certain center or extension program, the Department of Physics may use the logo of the department only. But if it is a national or international training program or activity, then the university logo will be used instead. And for some wrong usage of the logo, the university seal must be used with free space in this rectangular box as presented using this university logo image. And these are some of the many manipulations which are not allowed to be done on the university logo, the university seal, or the university wordmark. Warping, distorting the image or the logo, cutting the logo or cropping the logo, reflecting the logo or changing the color combinations or the color theme of the logo, using the logo as a background image, or removing the name of Caraga State University, removing some of the components of the university seal. These are not allowed. And for some product brand, if you have visited the Hero Learning Commons, you can see that the seat covers use this product brand for the university. Instead of using the university seal, then this product brand will be used for products such as hoodies, cups, seat covers, and the likes. And for artistic accents such as borders of certificates, diploma holders, building design, or any other product which requires some concept of traditional designs, then we have this registered trademark. This registered trademark embodies multiple cultural meanings, where the solid figures represents our indigenous peoples, and this cross and circle represents those who are subscribing under the Christian faith, and this ochre-like symbol represents the Muslim community, and the rest of our ASEAN neighbors is represented using these multiple mushroom-like and flower-like designs. And of course, as our local brand, we have this balangay symbol. And for our typefaces, we have these common typefaces. We are not using all possible or all available typefaces out there, but we are using at most 3 font style combinations. For headings, we will be using bold sans or sans fonts which have bold face versions such as Impact and Arial Black. And for body text, we will be using serif fonts such as Palatino Linotype or Times New Roman or Times Old Roman or just the Roman text or Garamond. And we may also use sans fonts such as Arial, Calibri, and Verdana. And for fonts which are less than 10 points such as the footer or header of our documents, it is suggested to use the Arial Narrow or Arial Nova fonts. And for minimal accents or display fonts, we may use any free decorative scripts, but this will be used only on a minimal portions of any document layouts or designs. And again, for font combinations, we will be using only a maximum of 3 different font styles in every design textbook, manual, or layout. In using the picture of the monument of Governor General Francis Burton Harrison, it should be reflected or it should be used where the map and the survey tripod would be visible. We are promoting this because, as Steve Forbes has said, your brand is the single most important investment you can make in your business. And according to the founder CEO of Amazon, branding is what people say about you when you are not in the room. And for me, our brand is built on experience, perception, likability, and trust. We can go further through visual familiarity. Thank you, and let us help promote the brand of our university.